Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, September the 16th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. Yeah, it's the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah, Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 7109. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16. Printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10. Printed digits, this one is 16. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. And my first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. Here we have a triple box, contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I do not know in which order, so will be difficult. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Same for here. 4 or a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. My next question. Quadra boxes. Do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? Well, we have no quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Here we have another same shape, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 1 shape, figure, structure, or construction that you need to recognize. Only 1, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 1 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So same numbers, 1 and 2 are left, 1 and 2. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then this box. Wait. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box, so 3 and 5, okay. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area. Should be there. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Well, this box can be a 5, and that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So we eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. Let me mark those 4 and 1. Okay. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. I think this, wait. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this triple box should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Final two numbers in this area from us. 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4. There goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Exactly. Wow. Told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. It should be a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Saturday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Yes. It's the weekend. Bye-bye for now.